I can twist this knob to see my virtual world, or I can twist it counterclockwise to see the real world again. They call it mixed reality, they call it spatial computing. So far, it's been a kind of mixed experience for me. It's kind of like an iPhone on your face. It's like you get this grid of icons, that's the first thing you see, and you can open an app. And what's different from the iPhone and any Mac is that like you can look all around you and move all these different screens around. It's pretty rough around the edges, especially for something that's $3,500. Several times when I was looking at different things, I could not see where I was looking and it was hitting the wrong button. It doesn't work in the dark. The biggest thing that doesn't really work very well is the personas, the ability to do the FaceTime calls, because it basically creates this digital persona, this digital avatar that's supposed to look like you. And it projects you into the phone call instead of you actually being in the phone call, or the video call, that is. And people find that really jarring. So Apple says the price tag is $3,500, but it's really realistically about $4,600 when you include the add-ons that people probably should buy. I honestly feel nauseated. It's very hard to see you guys, and it makes it hard for me to concentrate on what I'm saying. The number one app I would say for using this is watching movies. You can basically take a video and blow it up into what looks like an IMAX screen, which is really compelling. The other day, I was just trying to see if I could eat a steak while watching The Holdovers, and just to experiment with, like, can I actually see my hands? Can I see the steak? Can I actually put the food in my mouth while I'm watching? And I was able to do that, but it was weird because this thing weighs about a pound, and it's constantly weighing down on my face while I'm trying to eat. In general, when you're looking into the outside world, it's very grainy and blurry. But when you look at the digital screens, that's very clear. I honestly am not enjoying this right now, to be honest. Yeah. Oh. I honestly felt nauseated. I feel a lot better taking it off, but the longer I wore it, the more nauseated I felt. And this has been in my experience, is I can't really tolerate it for more than 10, 20 minutes at a time, depending on what I'm doing. When you're wearing it, it's like this binocular vision. It's like a limited field of view. So like part of your peripheral vision is cut off. I think there's just a lot that Apple and others have to prove. You know, they have to do better at the things that we currently do with existing technology in order for that to be replaced at some point.
We literally have 5 live streams or archive streams of NBA basketball in my face. I'm freaking out already. I'm like, this is incredible. I can take a game over here, and if I want to, I can swap it in and play it on the big screen. And then my Warriors game and Lakers game, maybe it's during halftime, goes over there. I can watch the game here. Then, what do you normally do when you're watching sports? Yeah, I'm messaging my friends with a group text. Siri, open messages. So that pops in over there. I could be browsing the web here. This is insane.